So you reach your 1K subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on YouTube, and you are ready for YouTube monetization. Yay! Congratulations! In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create your YouTube Adsense account and turn on YouTube monetization immediately. Like what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If it's your first time on my channel, you are highly welcome. My name is Victoria, and on this channel I talk about online money making tips, affiliate marketing, passive income, and all those things. I also talk about YouTube sometimes, and this is one of such times when I talk about YouTube. So make sure to watch to the very end. Like this video, leave me a comment below if you have any question or any comments, and subscribe if you haven't. So this is what your dashboard will look like on your YouTube studio after you have successfully met the requirements. So just click on apply now, and you'll be taken to this page where you see all the steps that are involved. So the first step is to review partner programs. Click on start, and you'll be able to read the terms and conditions of being a YouTube partner program. So when you start earning money on YouTube, that means you have already accepted and joined the YouTube partner program. So like I always say, read through it, then accept, and click on accept terms. So as you can see, step 1 is done. Next, move to step 2, which is to create or link an Adsense account. So click on that, and that will take you to this page. It will ask you to verify that it is you. Sometimes you might be prompted to input your password so that they make sure that you are the one trying to sign in. And once you have signed in and they have verified that it is you, you'll be prompted and directed back to Google AdSense to complete your registration. So if you have an existing account, you click yes, I have an existing account. So you'll be able to link your account to it. That's if you have an existing account, just click on continue. But if you don't have an existing account, then you just click on no, I don't have an existing account. Then you go ahead and click on continue also. So it will bring you to this page where you'll be able to pick which of your emails you want to use. Like for me, I have a lot of emails with Google, so I pick the one that I want, and then as you can see, automatically your YouTube website is already embedded there. You cannot change it. So you scroll down and you answer some questions. If you want them to send you customized messages, you can always unsubscribe, I think. Then you select your country or territory. So all countries are represented. Just find your own country and tap on it. So presently I stay in the United Kingdom, so I clicked on United Kingdom. Then you go ahead and read their terms and conditions again also. So read the terms and conditions for Google AdSense online service. Once you are okay with it, go ahead and tick yes, I have read and accepted the agreement. Then you'll be able to create your account. Just click on create account. So that's it, your account will be created now. So now that your account is created, the next thing is for you to input your payment address details. So they need you to give them your address. You pick your account type. Of course, for most people it's individual, but if your account type is business, then you pick business. Then name and address. You change the name if you want. Like for me, the name that came up was the name of my Gmail account. So I changed the name, and I also input my address. So you input your address, you input your name, you input your city and your postcode. If you don't know your postcode, just go online on Google and search for it. You input all this information necessary and click on submit. So it's going to redirect you back to YouTube, and you are going to be able to continue with the steps. So you just give it some seconds and you will see that step 2 will update to in progress. Okay, so step 2 now is in progress because there are some verification that they need to do. So once you go into your Gmail account, you'll be able to see that your contact information has changed. They will send you a mail to verify that you have changed your contact information, so that if it is not you, you will know that an activity is going on in your account. So the next thing also is that they are going to send you this email, and basically they are just telling you that your Adsense account has been linked to YouTube. So the next step is step 3, which means that you get reviewed. But this step 2, which is the signing up for Google Adsense, which we have done already, it takes some hours. So right now they have accepted everything, and as you can see, step 2 is done. Now I can move on to step 3, which is getting reviewed. So also you get another email from Google Adsense telling you that your payment confirmation, your payment contact information has changed, and then they will prompt you to sign in. So once you sign into your Google account, this is what the dashboard will look like, and you will see like a notification on it telling you some stuff about your account. You can just dismiss it. So now that your Adsense account has been created, this is what the dashboard looks like, and you see your earnings. It will progress as your money increases, as you make more money, which I will show you later. So you receive another mail, and you'll be informed that you've been approved to join the partner program. Usually this takes between 12 hours and 30 days. For this particular account, it took 2 days, and now that it has been approved, the next thing for me to do is to monetize my videos. So this is one basic step that you should not miss, that you need to do, that you need to take very seriously, or else you just see that people are watching your video even after you've joined YouTube partner program. People are watching your video, but they are not seeing ads. YouTube is not showing them advertisement, and you are wondering, but I have been monetized, what's happening? So you need to go through all your videos one by one and turn on YouTube monetization. As you can see right now, the monetization is off, so I manually turned everything on one by one. Another thing that you need to do is that for your videos that are 8 minutes and above, you need to click on them manually and go to video monetization and turn on all the overlay ads. Actually, these overlay ads, skippable, non skippable, you'll have to do it manually for every of your videos, and put the ads also after video. But manually you need to put in ad breaks, just like you're saying on your screen, into all videos that are 8 minutes or longer. So this way multiple ads will be played on your videos, and you'll be able to maximize your YouTube monetization. For everything you do, always make sure you save. And alternatively, on your dashboard, you can click on monetize videos from that YouTube notification. So once you click on that, it will ask you to set monetization preferences, and then you can just click on monetize all videos now. Then scroll down and pick all the overlay ads, not skippable and skippable, turn on ads during video, do everything, apply the preferences. But to be double sure, give it about 24 hours, then go through each of your video one after the other to make sure that this bulk update has indeed been updated and your videos are good to go. Also, in your mail, you will receive a mail from Google Adsense asking you to verify your payment address. So you remember that you input your address in the previous slides that I showed you. So you receive like a mail or like a letter. You know, they will send it to you, and in the letter is like a pin, some figures which you will input into your Google address just to verify that your address is true. So once they send your pin will come in a mail, in the mail like this. It will come with something like this, and you will see it's from Google, and then you get to see this at the other side. Now where I'm covering is where my name and my address is, and that is it. And as you can see on this side, they already gave you what to do. Like, these are the edges that you are supposed to tear off, and it is so easy to tear off. Remove. So just go on ahead and then tear it off. Yep, that's it. This is my own pin. This is what it looks like. Yeah, so I just go on ahead and input it into my account. So inside it, they give you the instructions that you're supposed to follow. As you can see, the step 1, step 2, and step 3. So you follow that, and let's jump back into the computer and finish up this process. So apart from getting this in your mail, you will also get the notification on your YouTube studio. You'll see that they will prompt you to sign into your Google Adsense account and verify your address. So go back to your Google Adsense, and then you see where you'll be able to verify your billing address. Just click on verify. It's at the home page. Once you click on the home page, you see there. Just click on verify, then you enter the pin that is in the mail, in the letter that Google has sent to you. So you enter the pin there, and after entering it, you click on submit. So I'll just go ahead and enter my own pin now and submit. So thanks for providing the pin, just dismiss. So the billing has been accepted. Now you can notice the progress bar under your earnings. So that blue bar is telling you how your progress is. So you can click on add payment method. You will not be able to add your payment method until you have made at least $10. So at $10 mark, that add your payment method will be clickable. So you click on it, and then you'll be able to add your bank account, your sort code, and everything, all your bank details. You'll be able to add it. So after adding everything, you scroll down and you click on save. So immediately you do that, you receive a notification that Google will deposit some amount into your account within 3 business days to 5 business days. You need to go to the payment methods page and enter the exact amount. You also receive this in your email. As you can see, this bank account details is pending. So whenever you are ready, whenever you've gotten it, you just click on verify. You will also immediately receive mails from Google Adsense telling you that your primary payment method has changed and that you should verify your new payment method. This is the good thing about it. For every step of the way, you always receive mails telling you that this has changed about your account, do this and do that, so that if anyone is actually trying to do something to your account, you can take action immediately. So Google deposited 0.58 pounds into my account within 2 days. So right now I'm going to go ahead into my Google Adsense account and click on verify bank details. So I just went into Google accounts, I clicked on payments, and immediately I already saw their notification that I should verify my bank account. So I just clicked on verify now, and then it brought me to this new page where I'm able to pick from the list of the accounts there, from the list of the numbers there. So as you can see, there are a lot of numbers there. You have to pick the exact one that matches what Google sent you. So I picked 0.58 pounds and verify, and that's it. My account has been verified. So they will immediately send you a mail telling you that your bank account is now verified. So that confirms that your bank account has been verified, and whenever this progress bar, the blue line, whenever it reaches the payment threshold, you get money in your bank account that has been verified. So that's how you go about it. I hope that was helpful, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, share this video, leave me a comment in the comment section, and subscribe if you have not. If you have any video requests, please let me know in the comment section, and I will try my possible best. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.